Discover how to earn a living online marketing the best products and services of other people. Now yours, step-by-step method go from an affiliate newbie to rockstar in less time you imagined. Dear friend, if you've ever wanted to create an income stream from the lucrative world of affiliate marketing, even if you've never had any experience before, then this is for you. One question: will you allow me to help you make money? I ask because today, you are about to discover real-world affiliate marketing strategies that work. From choosing the right kind of offers to promote, up to the nitty-gritty of effectively marketing them online. So you could substantially increase your affiliate commissions and finally start earning real income. Now you don't have to be the affiliate deadbeat who never takes in any real money. Introducing our very own affiliate marketing training course. Here are some of the powerful secrets you get inside this course. Introduction to affiliate marketing. You're taken by the hand into the important facts you need to know about affiliate marketing. Discover the basic idea of how you make money from it and how it could give you steady stream of income when done right. How to find the right affiliate offer for you. In this module, you learn how to find the right offer for you, selecting from 3 different networks, all proven and free to join. Magnetic list building strategies. The money is in the list, and that remains true with affiliate marketing. In this module, you learn about powerful list building strategies that'd get you subscribers steadily. You'll learn about the best kind of subscribers to get and where to get them. Traffic sources that convert. If you want to make money online, you need eyeballs to your offer, and that is where traffic comes in. Magnetic affiliate marketing teaches you traffic sources that matter, meaning those that actually convert into sales, because not all traffic sources are created equal, and I just want you to focus on the ones that'll make you money. You learn these and many more affiliate marketing secrets in this course. It's time you gain an unfair advantage in the affiliate marketing game today. Why settle for breadcrumbs when you could be making a nice juicy income from affiliate commissions? Now, the secrets are within your reach. Gain an edge on your competition today. You could be selling the same thing, but with these easy-to-implement affiliate marketing tricks, outselling them is just around the corner. Avoid wasting your time on outdated affiliate marketing strategies. Great, but how much should you invest to get this powerful affiliate marketing training? Well, with you gaining access to the secrets affiliate marketers use to make a living, it is fair to be charging $67 or even more for this. Heck, you'd even be happy to pay $97 for the golden nuggets you find inside. But you don't have to spend that much. We're lowering the price to let more people in on our secrets. So today, you're getting this affiliate marketing course for a special discounted price. Act now and get our special limited time money-back guarantee. To get your copy of this ebook, simply click on the link below. You can pay using PayPal or any major credit card. After you make your purchase, you'll be sent to the download area where you're a click away to opening the ebook. From there, you can start your journey to a more profitable affiliate marketing business. It's that easy. It's time you leave the guesswork in your affiliate marketing out. Again, here are some of the puzzle pieces you solve with this affiliate marketing course. Tips on how to find the right offers to promote. You'll be taken by the hand on the selection process of a good product that will give you huge affiliate commissions. Practical affiliate marketing strategies applicable to different niches. Discover different ways to make money even if you're just starting out with internet marketing. Principle behind the effectiveness of making review. In this book, you will learn why making reviews work and how you can do it easily. Tools for the winning affiliate. Discover the best tools you could use to run your affiliate marketing business easier. How to drive traffic to your website. Discover free traffic strategies that'll put eyeballs to your website promoting your affiliate business. And many more. Now, it's your turn to act. You're one step away from making a positive change in your life. We've done our part. Take advantage of this offer now and start making some real cash. Wait until tomorrow and your plans for making a living in affiliate marketing may never happen. Today is your day. Claim it. At this very low price, you're getting a real bargain. There's really nothing to lose. Remember, You're getting secrets already proven to have made money for other affiliates. Now it's your turn. Click on the buy button on this page and start today.